Grade 7, Month 1, Week 2, Day 5. Let's start by logging on to our ELE account. Our first subject will be English. Week 2, Day 5. Review the poem. Review the poem. Do you remember yesterday we read a poem by Robert Frost? Yes, it was on Day 4. Go back to that poem and review it. Review the poem by Robert Frost and then answer the following questions. After reviewing the poem, answer these 7 questions. Question 1. What does the following phrase mean? 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. What does this phrase mean? Explain its meaning. What can you understand? And what is the writer trying to say? Where was Robert Frost born? List the struggles faced by Robert Frost. The video explains that the road not taken is linked to the Robert Frost personal life. Do you agree? You read something about his personal life. If you want to learn more, you can go to Google and write Robert Frost's life and learn about his life. And tell if this poem is related to his life. If yes, give some reasons to explain your answer. If no, give some reasons as well to explain your answer. Search and write the names of 3 other poems written by Robert Frost. Okay, so you need to go to Google and search poems by Robert and then take any 3 of the poem names and write it. Okay, after answering these questions in your copy, your Day 5 for English is complete. Next, let's start with mathematics. Week 2, Day 5. Difference of sets. Today we are going to discuss about difference of sets and properties of complement of the sets. So we are looking at 2 things of complement sets. We are looking at their differences and their properties. First of all, let's start watching this video and understand the difference of 2 sets. Then let's do some reading. In reading, we will take a look at some examples, understand properties involving complement of a set, some more examples. And at the end, an activity. You need to solve these 2 sets on your copy. Yes, after doing these 2 exercises, these 2 questions, your Day 5 is done. Your Week 2 is 100% done. Good job. Next is science. Day 5, breathing. Breathing. Let's start watching this video. It's a short 15-second video which is an animation of normal breathing. Then let's read the text. And then let's read about how do we breathe. We breathe all the time. So let's see how we breathe. Take a look at this picture. Understand this diagram. And the next one. And then let's watch this video showing the 3D graph. Yes. This video shows us the process in detail. And then let's watch another video about the correct way to breathe in. After watching this, let's jump on to activity. Practice flower breathing with your fellows. Flower breathing calms us down and help in dealing with stress. Let's see what flower breathing is and how can we do it. Here's how you can do flower breathing. Read this and do it on your own. You can also do it with anyone at home. Here's a video showing us how to do flower breathing. And then let's answer the following questions. What is breathing? What is the function of rib cage and diaphragm? Okay, after answering these two questions on your copy, your day 5 for science is done. Our next subject is history. Day 5 from churches to Pope. Let's start by watching the video that shows us the spread of Christianity. It's a map which will show us the spread of Christianity. Watch this 2-minute video. Then let's take a look at this picture. Buddhists have monks, Muslims have Maulana, and Hindus have Pujari. Do Christians have a leader? Okay, so this boy has a great question. Let's see. Yes, they do. We will have to go back in history to learn about them. It seems like today we will read about the religious leaders of Christianity. Do the reading. Take a look at some pictures. That's great information. So who runs these churches? Then let's again do some reading. And at the end, do an activity. First up is searching. We have to search the name of current Pope, the name of largest church in the world. Go to Google and simply write current Pope. Then search name of the largest religion in the world. Go to Google and search the answers for these two. Next up, answer the following questions. Why do you think religions need leaders? Why do you think that? Every religion has leaders. Explain your answer. How did the small churches help spread Christianity? Compare the monks and popes. So we have read about monks and then we have read about popes. You need to make a Venn diagram or you can make 2 boxes and compare these two. A Venn diagram will also have some similarities. So we have to write the differences and similarities. If you don't know how to make a Venn diagram, simply go to Google and write Venn diagram. After answering these 3 questions on your copy, your day 5 for history is complete. Geography. Day 4, population measurement. Population measurement. Let's start by watching this video. This 2-minute video will help us understand population measurement. Today we will read an interview one of our ELE student has shared with us. So just like all of us, there is an ELE student which has shared an exciting interview. Let's read this interview. Before answering these questions, I would want you to watch this simple video. So let's watch this video in between, which is about population studies. Then again, continue our reading. Look at some pictures. And at the end, do activity. Answer the following questions. What are the sources to collect population data? Explain administrative records and vital registration system. What is the difference between census and sample surveys? Make a graph of population census of Pakistan in different years. So you have to make a graph. You can search Google for different graphs, or you can make any one of the graphs you have seen in your previous lessons. After answering these 3 questions and making an exciting graph, your day 5 for geography is complete. इसके बाद हम अपने उर्दू के लेसन करेंगे, डिक्टेशन और एक्टिविटी, मश्क। सबसे पहले आप लोग डिक्टेशन किसी से भी कह के अल्फाज बुलवा लें और लिखें अपनी कॉपी पे। फिर इसके बाद चेक करें कि आपके नए अल्फाज की स्पेलिंग्स यानी इमला ठीक की है। इसके बाद मश्क। इलामा इकबाल की नज़म माँ का खौफ से मुतल्लिक मंदरजा झेल सवालात के जवाब दें। कॉपी निकालिए और इन सवालों के जवाब लिखिए। इस नज़म में किन किरदारों का तस्करा है? माँ क्यों उदास और परेशान है? माँ को अपना बेटा कहाँ नजर आया? शाबाश। ये करने के बाद हम होमवर्क करेंगे, यानी आवर नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी। ये आप एक्टिविटी करें अपनी कॉपी पे। इसके बाद हमारा उर्दू का काम ख़त्म होता है। And then we will do our course. Now we are on our last day, day 5 on week 2. So make sure this week 2 from this course is done as well. Okay, it's about skating. So after doing this week 2, make sure you have also done all of the activities from this week 2. Here's a practice exercise. It's about skating. And then your day 5 is complete. For more lessons, contact on this number.